Liquid crystal case by well-known accessory brand Spigen for the iPhone 12 Pro. It has a premium TPU shell for everyday shock resistance, is form-fitted to maintain a slim profile, and remain pocket-friendly, stays watermark-free with its dot technology, and has precise cutouts to provide complete access to all the buttons and ports. If you are interested in buying this case, link is available in the description below. Overall, it is the complete case, which can provide protection without interfering with the design or user experience. It is also compatible with wireless charging and MagSafe. Spigen's liquid crystal for iPhone 12 Pro lets your phone's design show through without sacrificing protection. This one-piece TPU case is made of the same material all the way around, rather than two pieces of different materials, like some of the competition. It has minimal branding and nice details, including air pockets in the corners for added drop protection. And tough hard plastic cases, and even TPU edge cases with hard plastic backs are more prone to showing fingerprints. They're not nearly as obvious on the liquid crystal's material, which is also grippier and less rigid than hard plastic. One of our other favorite features is a pattern of dots on the inside of the case that prevents water stain like blotches on the back of your phone, due to the case sticking to the phone's glass back, a problem with some other clear TPU cases. The liquid crystal case will allow you to showcase the natural beauty of your newest iPhone 12 Pro. This clear and flexible case offers crystal clarity, has a shock-absorbent layer, is soft and grip-friendly for everyday use, while tactile buttons offer excellent responsiveness. As the name suggests, liquid crystal by Spigen, with fingerprint and smudge-resistant surface, offers the optimum clarity desired to flaunt the amazing color of your machine. Made of rubbery TPU, this iPhone 12 Pro clear case fits excellently. Its soft feel texture gives you maximum comfort without being slippery. Packed with protective anti-scratch and shock-absorbing properties, you won't have to worry about a spider-web screen and chipping from accidental falls. The case utilizes air guard technology that acts as a buffer at the four corners where the phone is most vulnerable. With lipped edges that guard against friction, with flat surfaces maintaining a scratch-free screen, and camera for continued pristine display and wow photos is such a breeze. While providing a layer of protection, the Spigen liquid crystal case still lets you see your phone. You'll maintain your high social status with the newest iPhone because your peers will be able to see it. Made of a flexible TPU material, the liquid crystal case provides a shock-absorbent layer. If you accidentally drop your phone or bump it on something, this iPhone 12 Pro case should help keep it intact. While this clear iPhone case isn't as bulky as some outdoorsy, rugged cases, it does provide enough protection for most lifestyles. Available in crystal clear or space crystal, which is slightly gray, variants, this case will look snazzy on any iPhone 12 Pro. Thanks to its tactile buttons, you'll feel like it's hardly there. Finally, because it's so thin, you can use your compatible wireless and reverse charging and MagSafe.